वसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे कुलारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णा प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः नमो नमः. Good afternoon, good morning from wherever you are joining. We started a couple of weeks back about Pandava's ancestors' story, Kacha and Devayani. That story we started on. And Yayati is one of the forefathers, son of Nahusha. And from Yayati story, last week I talked about from Sharmishta. He had 3 children, eldest Puru, and from Devayani, 2 children, Puru, from Devayani Yadu and Sharmishta Puru, eldest. And from Yadus came Yadavas. Yadava clan came from Devayani's clan, through Devayani. From Puru came, Puru was the youngest among the 3 children from Sharmishta. From Purus, Pauravas came. Pauravas became Kauravas. And Shukracharya was annoyed that he married to Sharmishta. He cursed him, may you become old. Then Devayani pleaded, he's my husband also. Then he said, if you could, if somebody can take your old age in return for their young age, you can do. He gave that boon. He asked every children, no one agreed except Sharmishta's 3rd son, Puru. He said, take it. And he enjoyed his youth days for long. And after many years, he realized, what is this one? No end to enjoyment. However much I enjoy, it is not satisfied. It is not, I am not getting bored. I should put a check onto myself, like throwing the firewood to the fire, like throwing the ghee to the fire, that fire cannot be extinguished. Then he got disgusted with himself, and he went to Puru and said, I am very pleased with your generosity. Take back your youth and give me my old age. And he installed Puru as a king. He made him a king. He was the youngest among the Sharmishtas, but still he liked his attitude. He made him a king. And the Yayati, old age, he went to the forest and he died. He died of the old age, and he had handed over the kingdom to Puru. And when he went to the heaven, Indra asked him the question, you made your son king, what message you gave it to him when you handed over the kingdom, when you handed over the reins? It is a message for us also. We just say, take over my property and run. But Indra specifically asked, what message did you give when you entrusted the kingdom to him? And we generally say, make lot of money, enjoy your life, and chill out. And it is an eye-opener. And Yadu said, Yayati said, he told his son when he handed over, and one who do not get angry is much better than one who gets angry, he told him. The second one he told, one who has patience is better than one who do not have patience. And he also said, amongst 8.4 million species, and humans are the highest. Remember that one. And the fourth one he said, person with knowledge is superior to person without knowledge. No point in just becoming another human, acquire knowledge. He was talking, and when you have the knowledge, not to be arrogant about your knowledge, not to show your arrogance. And the next one he said, be patient and compassionate to those who lack knowledge, not to look down on them. And next one, Yayati told Indra, he also told, the power, wealth and youth do not stay forever, not to be arrogant, they also went away in that over the time, over the period. And another advice he gave, always be amidst of wise people, seek the company of wise people, and avoid the company of people who are not at all interested in knowledge. Only if they are only after the business contact, avoid them. They do not give you lasting happiness. And hearing that one, Indra was very pleased with Yayati, good parting message, and he asked him, according to your opinion, who has done the best sadhana? You lived for long. Who has done the best of the who you consider as a best sadhaka? And Yayati said, I have not come across any good sadhaka. I have not come across any good sadhaka, and nobody has come close to myself. The moment he uttered that one, Indra kicked him down, saying that your coat of punya is over. Your merit is over. You have to fall back to earth. You go back. Your punya is over. Like a meter, when you, auto rickshaw we know in India, taxi, how fast you go, which road you go, meter runs faster. What even there also, that meter, it is not how you go, meter runs accordingly. And he pushed him down, and Yayati did not have any remorse. Thank you, but please bless me when I be born on this earth. May I always have a company of noble people, knowledgeable people, and knowers. May I fall in the company of knowers. I don't mind paying for my mistake, but please bless me to be born midst of the knowers. Indra said, so be it. Now it is the time to go. And this story came in Matsya Purana. As he was falling down, its grandson, his children, grandchildren also great tapasvis, they could able to see his grandfather is falling down. They could able to see him falling down. They did not want their ancestors are falling down onto, they were so caring for their ancestors. We don't want any of our ancestors to fall down, and they stopped him there itself. Please tell me about the question. they asked him, Alarka asked the grandson, asked the question, you been to heaven, tell us how to go to heaven. They asked that question. You been there and tell us what is the way to heaven, and I'll mute this one, and what he replies, we will see that one in the next week. What is the way to heaven? And now Yayati is remorseful. He knew what mistake he did, why he was falling, and what advice he gave to his grandchildren and grandchildren also. So considerate, they did not want any of their ancestors to fall down. And they were so caring for their grandfather also. That story will continue next week. 18th chapter. Today we will aim to conclude this one. Arjunovacha Sannyasasya Mahabaho Tattvamichhami Veditum Tyagasya cha Hrishikesha Pratakeshini Sudana Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kamyanam Karmanam Nyasam Sannyasam Kavayo Viduhu Sarvakarma Palatyagam Rahustyagam Vichakshana Tyajyam Doshavadityeke Karma Prahur Manishinaha Yajnadana Tapakarma Natyajyamiti Chapare Nischayam Shunume Tatra Tyage Bharata Sattama Tyago hi Purusha Vyagra Trivida Samprakirtitaha Yajnadana Tapakarma Natyajyamiti Chapare Yajnodana Tapaschaiva Pavanani Manishinam. Here Arjuna asked the question Tyaga and Sannyasa, and towards the end Sri Krishna says Tyaga and Sannyasa are two sides of the same coin. And here he says never forego the act of yajna. Yajna means the bigger picture, not only do for yourself, bigger yajna, and dana, charity, and tapas, the yajna, dana, tapa, not to forego in any instance. Even you may be a realized person, no, it purifies even the illumined people. Etanyapitu karmani Sangam tyaktva phalani cha Kartavyani me partha Nishchitam matamuttamam Niyatasya tu sannyasa Karmano nopapadyate Mohatasya parityaga Tamasa parikirtitaha Dukkamityeva yat karma Kaya klesha bhayatyajet Sakritva rajasam tyagam Naivatyaga palam labet. The tyaga, any sacrifice you do out of the fear or the limited understanding, you won't get the punya of that one. Karyamityeva yat karma Niyatam kriyate Arjuna Sangam tyaktva palam chaiva Satyaga satviko mataha. For example, some of you sacrifice the retreat for the cricket match, and it is also tyaga. It is also tyaga. Sacrifice the bigger thing for the smaller. And it is whatever we do, it's a life is full of choices. We have to sacrifice something for something, and sacrificing the bigger thing for smaller, Sri Krishna says you won't get any punya. Nadveshta kushalam karma kushalena anushajyate yagi sattva samavishto medhavi chinna samshayah nahi dehabhrita shakyam tyaktum karmanya sheshatah yastu karma palatyagi satyagi ityabhidiyate. The sattvic tyaga, without the proper understanding, no selfish interest, even mistake happens, it won't bind you. But when the selfish interest is there, any action we do, outcomes three types. When the desired outcome can come, undesirable outcome, or mixed. These outcomes, even desired outcome, when it comes, it is still a bondage. And Upanishad says any outcome we get apart from sattvic one, that fruit will haunt us for at least for 10 lives. Any outcome, it will desirable. Whatever desirable outcome I got, that to enjoy or undergo the suffering, it will at least 10 lives it will come. And in Patanjali talks about Sabija Samadhi. Appears to be achieved, but we, for example, we had our tree trimmed, pruned and whatever, thinking that we removed that unwanted. But in 2 months, shoots started coming. We cleared the garden with all the weeds we pulled out, but unknowingly the weeds are coming. We want the sattvic phala to come, but what to do? In my sattvic seed, it has a attachment of rajasic also. I am watering the sattvic thing, I want that one to desirable thing to come, but tamasic and rajasic are attached to that one, that unknowingly that I am only watering the grass, but only weeds are coming, because the weeds are attached to desirable. So whatever we do desirable, unknowingly other things also, I never expected that one, because it is attached to that one, it is called as sabija. Whatever comes, that bija, latent thing is attached, it will come along. The brilliant, I am so happy I got this one. But that happiness always comes with repercussion. It is not 100% happiness. 100% happiness, it is always associated with repercussion. Panchaitani mahabaho karanani nibodame Sankhye kritante proktani siddhaye sarva karmanam adhishtanam tata karta karanam cha pritak vidam vividascha pritak cheshta daivam chaivatra panchamam. What action, when it has to yield result, we can't say I did that much, I should get this outcome. The result when to get, it can come immediately, or it can take years or lives to come. We don't know when the outcome will come. Outcome, it is in the hand of Daiva. He knows when to put which prarabdha karma when. Which prarabdha karma, it is in the Daiva's hand. Sharira Vangmano Birya कर्म प्रारभते नरः न्यायं वा विपरीतं वा पञ्चैते तस्य हेतवः तत्रैवं सति कर्तारम् आत्मानं केवलं तु यः पश्यत्य अकृतबुद्ध्यात्मा न स पश्यति दुर्मति यस्य नाहङ्कृतो भावो बुद्धिर्यस्य न लिप्यते हत्वापि स इमां लोकान् न हन्ति न निबध्यते. With that positive, no attachment, when you are doing that action, even if you fail, or even you are a total failure, but people say this is not a world for honest people. Honest people, I had to be crooked to survive. What Sri Krishna says, if you are crooked, outcome also will be there. If you are a honest person, success will be there for sure. Even if you die in the for following your dharma, you won't. You will attain the highest. You will attain the highest. You won't be bonded. ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं परिज्ञाता त्रिविधा कर्म चोदना करणं कर्म कर्तेति त्रिविध कर्म संग्रहः ज्ञानं कर्म च कर्ता च त्रिदैव गुणभेदतः प्रोच्यते गुणसाङ्ख्याने यथा वशृणुतान्यपि सर्वभूतेषु येनैकं भाव अव्यय ईक्षते अविभक्तं विभक्तेषु तज्ज्ञानं विद्धि सात्विकं सर्वभूतेषु ये एकं, seeing the same presence of God in everyone, that type of vision is called a sattvic. Seeing the presence of God in earlier Brahmana, what is that? Earlier Gavihastini, Shuni Chaiva Shopake Cha Pandita Samadarshinaha, and even the knower, even the outcast, or in an animal, or in a hasti, the elephant, or a cow, one who sees the presence of God in everyone is the real seer. Sarva prithaktveena tu yajnanam nana bhavat prithakvidan veti sarveshu bhuteshu tajnanam viddhi rajasam. The compartmentalized vision, only my people, my community, working for them, it is a compartmentalized vision. Shri Krishna says it is called as a sattvic vision. And yettu Krishna vade kasmin karye sakta heitukam atatvartha vadalpam cha tattamasa udahritam. The tamasic people have no regard for their community or anyone. They have no regard for anyone. They do not feel the pain and suffering of others. Only their interest is important. It's a tamasic people. And you can't bring out the sense in the discussing with them. Niyatam sangarahitam ragadveshata kritam apala prepsuna karma yattat satvika uchyate yattu kamepsuna karma sa ahankarena va punaha kriyate bahulayasam तद्राजसुदाहृतम् अनुबन्धं क्षयं हिंसम् अनवेक्ष्य च पौरुषम् मोहादारभ्यते कर्म यत्तत्तामस उच्यते मुक्तसङ्गो नाहं वादी धृति उत्साहसमन्वितः सिद्धासिद्धो निर्विकार कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते मुक्तसंगा you are part of the community, you are part of the friends group, you are part of everyone, but you are not attached to anyone. You are not attached, you are part of the family, but you are not attached to any your family members. Then only you are tension free life. The moment you get attached, life is full of tension. We can't live, the humans are social animals. We can't socially live by isolating ourselves from the society. Shri Krishna says, yes, you are part of the community, part of the society, but not to be attached to anyone. Mukta Sango Naham Vadi, and not to get attached to anyone, but attach yourself to myself. And he says that one, Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam. You get attached to me alone. Others are only transitory for time pass. Dhriti, have the focus in your life, full of energy, and outcome of your action should not bog you down, not to lose your the focus and vigor because of the I am a failure. That type of attitude is called as a sattvic. Ragi karma pala prepsu lubdo himsatmako shuchihi harsha shokanvita karta rajasa parikirtitaha. Ragi means attached to everything. Karma pala, outcome. I am so driven by the outcome, and if I do not hit the target, I am depressed. Palaprepsu, lubdo, very covetous, I keep on hoarding things, and very violent in nature, and impure in my action, thinking and talking. And today I am very bubbling with energy and very happy. Tomorrow I am depressed, crying. Unpredictable personality. This is called as Rajasic. Ayukta Prakrita Stabda Shato Naikriti Kolasaha Vishadi Dirga Sutri Cha Karta Tamasa Uchyate Buddhir Bedam Drite Chaiva Gunata Trividam Shunu Prochyamana Asheshena Pritakvena Dhananjaya Pravrittim cha Nivrittim cha Karya Akarye Baya Baye Bandham Moksham Chaya Veti Buddhisa Partha Satviki. We are all on a limited shelf life. Every second we are inching closer to our death. And pravrittim cha nivrittim cha, what to engage, what to not engage. Yes, my community, society is pulling me in every direction. Come attend, come here, come here. Everyone is pulling, and I should know how to utilize my time wisely. Time management, leadership requires the time management. Yes, community wants me everywhere, but not your limited time. Unknowingly, our weekend passes away. Unknowingly, our long weekend goes. Unknowingly, year passes. Unknowingly, you are becoming old. And so, time management is it's a sattvic personality knows how to utilize the time. And Arvind was quoting Modi ji. Before any event, I measure the time. How much I can dedicate. My time is very important. However, many communities are inviting not to compromise on time management. I am not sacrificing my time for unnecessary things. Yes, I have to use that one wisely. That is the sattvic person knows the time management. Eya dharma adharmam cha karyam cha akaryameva cha ayatavat prajaniti बुद्धि सा पार्थ राजसी अधर्मं धर्ममिति या मन्यते न तमसा वृताः सर्वार्थान् विपरीतांश्च बुद्धि सा पार्थ तामसी. The tamasic people, what to do, what not to do, totally they viparita. They mistake whatever you say, they get the wrong end of your message. Dhrityayaya dharayate mana pranendriya kriyaha yogena vyabhicharinya dhriti sa partha satviki. Pranendriya kriyaha yaya dhrityayaya dharayate. Never allow your motivation to collapse. Motivation to dhritya yeya dharayate mana prana indriya kriyaha. Your mind, your thinking should not collapse. Mana prana, your energy level should not collapse. Your senses functionality should not collapse. And as well as your actions, the energy, the direction should not collapse. That is sattvic. Make sure that you are maintaining. That means when you are holding that dhriti, your mind is not yo-yo, unpredictable, and unpredictable person do not command respect in the society. As a leader of the community, predictability should be there. If the unpredictability, no respect in the community. If you want to become a great leader, inspirer, you should abide in the yoga retreat. We talked about that one also. We talked about the talking, thinking and mind should be aligned. We talked about to get the credibility. Yogena vibhicharinya, that is called as sattvic. Yayatu dharmakamartan dhritya dharayate arjuna prasangena palakankshi dhriti sa partha rajasi yaya swapnam bhayam shokam vishadam madameva cha na vimuchanti durmeda dhriti sa partha tamasi. And rajasic focus is only time bound. Tamasic people no focus at all. Sukham tvidanim trividam shunu me bharatarshaba abhyasat ramate yatra dukkantam cha nigacchati etadagre vishamiva pariname amritopamam tatsukam satvikam proktam atma buddhi prasadajam. Initially sounds hard, but end result is positive. That is sattvic. We have to resort to that one. Yes, our 7 o'clock Sunday morning class is a challenge. On the weekend also should I get up? Yes, it is a challenge, but outcome will be good. And initially it sounds to be tough, but end result, the sattvic people resort to that type of sadhana. ವಿಷಯೇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಸಂಯೋಗಾತ್ ಯತ್ತದಗ್ರೆ ಅಮೃತೋಪಮಂ ಪರಿಣಾಮೇ ವಿಷಮಿವ ತತ್ಸುಖಂ ರಾಜಸಂ ಸ್ಮೃತಂ. Initially it's every weekend I'm having a party, initially thrill, but towards the end it's a wasted opportunity. ನ ತದ ಯದಗ್ರೆ ಚಾನುಬಂಧೇ ಚ ಸುಖಂ ಮೋಹನಮಾತ್ಮನಃ ನಿದ್ರಾಲಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಮಾದೋತ್ತಂ ತತ್ತಾಮಸೌದಾಹೃತಂ ನ ತದಸ್ತಿ ಪೃಥಿವ್ಯಾಂ ವಾ ದಿವಿ ದೇವೇಶು ವಾ ಪುನಃ ಸತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಜೈರ್ಮುಕ್ತಂ ಯದೇಭಿಸ್ಯ ತ್ರಿಭಿರ್ಗುಣೈಃ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ ವಿಷಾಂ ಶೂದ್ರಾಣಂ ಚ ಪರಂತಪ ಕರ್ಮಾಣಿ ಪ್ರವಿಭಕ್ತಾನಿ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಪ್ರಭವೈರ್ಗುಣೈಃ. The classification of a human personality, it's thinkers, the decision makers, the marketing people and the support staff. These four are integrated in every person in various proportion. One, the majority, if it becomes a thinker, long range thinking, that person is called as a Brahmana, and focus is on the decision making and focus on strategy, protection. It is Brahmana is a long term thinkers, Kshatriyas are medium term thinkers, Vaishyas are short range thinkers, and Shudras are supporting all three categories. We need all three type of thinking. We have to think long, medium and immediate. All three should be there. Only long term thinking, not acting currently, it won't work. We need all three type of thinking. Shamodama tapas shaucham kshanti arjameva cha jnanam vijnanam astikyam brahma karma svabhavajam ಶೌರ್ಯಂ ತೇಜೋ ಧೃತಿ ದಾಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಯುದ್ಧೇ ಚಾಪ್ಯ ಅಪಲಾಯನಂ ದಾನ ಈಶ್ವರ ಭಾವಶ್ಚ ಕ್ಷಾತ್ರ ಕರ್ಮ ಸ್ವಭಾವಜಂ. And for me that whatever I pick up, I won't give up. For example, last 21 years I did not Yuddhe cha apalayanam. Some are good success, some are failure, but did not give up. So that Kshatra also is there. If Kshatra is not there, I would have given up this one long time back. Anything, good thing you start, not to give up. And Shama, the Brahmanic quality I have, lot of thinking I do, writing, and that is also Brahmana quality. And I do the promotion, that also is required. Whatever good you have to sell that one. That is marketing also. But the proportion may be different. Everyone has these qualities. Sri Krishna is talking. And Krishi Goraksha Vanijyam Vaishya Karma Svabhavajam Paricharyatmakam Karma Shudrasyapi Svabhavajam. Whatever is your major karma, the major trait, and not to feel bad about, I don't have that trait. This person has very good in marketing skill, not to brood, you only have the Kshatriya quality. You are able to, dhriti is there, focus is there, not to brood. Whatever quality, good quality you have, through that one you can attain the perfection. And all qualities exist only in Bhagavan. For us, it is some good, some major, some medium, some minor, but all qualities to the completeness is there only in Bhagavan. Sri Krishna says, you can attain me. Whatever quality you have, you hone that one, you work on that one, you reach the perfection. Sve sve karmanya birata samsiddhim labate naraha swakarma niratam siddhim yata vindati tashrunu yata pravritti bhutanam yena sarva idam tatam swakarmana tamarbhyarcha siddhim vindati manavaha shreyan swadharmo vigunaha paradharma swanishtitat स्वभावा नियतं कर्म कुर्वन् आपनोति किल्बिषम्. Your strength, whatever you are strong in, that is far superior than comparing yourself, acquiring the strength which you do not have. And your strength, whatever strong you are in, that is instead of vigunaha, some other qualities other person has, not to brood on that one. Whatever strength you have, that is far superior. Everyone, Bhagavan says, everyone is given a special skill. Find out what is your special skill and build upon that one. Sahajam karma kaunteya sadosha mapinat tejet sarvarambha hi doshena dhumena agniravrata. And now the problem across the world, well, the farmer, they are good in farming, looking after the agriculture. Everyone is migrating to city. Why? Because in city lot of money is there. They have forgotten, they have a unique skill, unique trait. They can celebrate, they can bring out best and happy with it in the farm itself. But city, they are happy to live in a slum for extra few bit of money. Sri Krishna says that is what across the world people are migrating to the city, forgetting about their own animal husbandry. Maybe they are looking after the cows or this one, they are happy, they are experts in that one. But we are giving up for extra money, inducement for the money. This one, this message has got to be communicated to the people that money should not be the only driver of the happiness. Whatever good you are, that is you, from there you get the happiness and get the perfection. Asakta buddhi sarvatra jitatma vigataspruhaha naiškarmya siddhim paramam sannyasena digacchati siddhim prapto yata brahma tatapnoti nibodame samasenaiva kaunteya nishta jnanasya ya para. And when you become the perfect in any field, tata propnati, you get the highest. Immense joy comes in your life. And buddhya vishuddhaya yukto dhrityatmanam niyamya cha shabdadin vishayan tyaktva ragadvesho vidasya cha vyukta sevi lagvashi yatavakaya manasaha jnana yoga paro nityam vairagyam samapashritaha ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodam parigraham vimuchya nirmama shanto brahma bhuyaya kalpate. To know your what is your strength, every day you have to spend time for yourself. Always busy with your phone, Instagram, Facebook, and chatting, your mind, there is no time for you to reflect. Vivikta Sevi, Vivikta, spend time for yourself. Go on a pilgrimage. Go on your retreat. Retreat in scriptures highly talk about retreat. You have to retreat yourself from your mainstream to able to correct your direction. It is a must. Yeah, go out of your comfort zone. Time to time go. Vivikta Sevi every day. Spend time for yourself. That helps you to identify your true strength. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಭೂತ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನಾತ್ಮ ನ ಶೋಚತಿ ನ ಕಾಂಕ್ಷತಿ ಸಮಸರ್ವೇಷು ಭೂತೇಷು ಮದ್ಭಕ್ತಿಂ ಲಭತೆ ಪರಂ ಭಕ್ತ್ಯಾ ಮಾಂ ಅಭಿಜಾನಾತಿ ಯಾವಾನ್ ಯಶ್ಚಾಸ್ಮಿ ತತ್ವತಃ ತತೋ ಮಾಂ ತತ್ವತೋ ಭೂತ್ವಾ ತತ್ವತೋ ಜ್ಞಾತ್ವಾ ವಿಶತೆ ತದನಂತರಂ. And when you get this type of knowledge, you enter into me. ಸರ್ವಕರ್ಮಾಣ್ಯಪಿ ಸದಾ ಕುರ್ವಾಣೋ ಮತ್ವ್ಯಪಾಶ್ರಯಃ ಮತ್ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಅವಾಪ್ನೋತಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತಂ ಪದಮವ್ಯಯಂ. Now we are on changing the field. My field keep on changing. When you attain me, no more changes. Shashwatam. No more. You are so happy. You have come back to your own home. Chetasa sarva karmani mai sanyasya matparaha buddhi yoga upashritya machitta satatam bhava. Not to run away from any action and do everything and mai sanyasya, you offer everything to me, connect to me. And buddhi yoga upashritya, you are doing your action, whatever you are doing, not with it is a tyaga. Machitta, always think of me. Satatam, always. Machitta sarvadurgani matprasada tarishyasi atachetum ahankara na shroshyati vinankshyasi. Machitta, why always think of the Bhagavan? You matprasada tarishyati sarvadurgani, all obstacles melt away. All obstacles melt away by contemplating all positive. I am full of positive, I am full of complete contemplating on that one. Positive mind enables you to handle any challenges in your life. Yadahankara ashritya na yotsya iti manyase Nityesha vyavasayaste prakritim swam niyokshati. On the out of ego, you will do whatever you like and reject my suggestion. You will go to ruins. So it is not a curse, but it's a natural. When you are not on the positive side, of course you are on the negative side. Negative side brings your downfall. Swabhavajena kaunteya nibaddhasvena karmana karmannechasi yanmoha kartum nechasi yanmohat karishye avashopi tat. And whatever you tell, advice, most of us have experienced. Your children, whatever you advise, they will do what they want. Whatever you tell others, they do whatever they want. So you can advise not to get too affected. Sri Krishna says everyone do according to their swabhava. We get so worried. How much I am telling, Sri Krishna says everyone is on their path. We can give advice, but their swabhava jena kaunteya, they are impelled, they are born out of that swabhava with the prarabdha karma to exhaust. You can try to suggest, guide, but everyone travels in own path. Ishvara sarvabhutanam hridyesharjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani yantra rudani mayaya. Everyone takes one's own path. Shri Krishna says, I am the energy giving to them to exhaust their prarabdha. I am there in everyone's heart. Hridyeshena Arjuna Tishtati. And taking the wrong path, that is also energy supplied from the Bhagavan. Taking the right path, energy is supplied from the Bhagavan. Everyone lives, acts helplessly according to their nature. Tameva sharanam gaccha sarvabhavena bharata tat prasada param shanti sthanam prapyasi shashvatam. Before that, Vedavyasa tells, this Mahabharata I have not written to convert Rajasic people or Tamasic people to become Sattvic. I have not written. I have written this one in case Sattvic people have imbibed, become Rajasic or Tamasic, they will wake up and come back. This book is Bhagavad Gita or Mahabharata is not for converting the wrong people into good. The correction in the prison, they have correction center. People are imprisoned for 10 years, 15 years. America, one person, he was in the correction center for 13 years or whatever. He came out and he killed somebody. That swabhava, negative people, it cannot be corrected. If the good people, by mistake, they have done some mistake, it is for correcting them. So, not to get too hung up why people are not listening. This book is not, Mahabharata is not for converting the bad people into good. If the good people have become, somehow taken the wrong path, it is a wake up, they will come back. They will get iti jnanam akyatam guhya guhyatamam taram maya umrityeta ade umrityet asheshena yatechasi tata kuru. Shri Krishna also knows yatechasi tata kuru. Whatever this Bhagavad Gita is telling, people are doing what they like. Yatechasi tata kuru doesn't mean people, this Bhagavad Gita, everyone become positive dharmic. Whatever you tell, even Sri Krishna says, people, this Bhagavad Gita, he tried to tell Duryodhana, he did not want to change. He did not. Everyone according to their swabhava. They follow that one. Sri Krishna gives that option to Arjuna also. You have heard, now do according to your swabhava. Arjuna had become Rajasic and Tamasic, wrong knowledge. Now he woke up. And Sarvaguhyatamam Bhuya Shunu me paramam vachaha Ishtosi me dridamiti Tato vakshyami te hitam Manmana bhavamad bhakto Madhyajimam namaskurum Mame vaishyasi satyam te Pratijane priyosi me Sarvadharman parityajya Mamekam sharanam vraja Aham tva sarva papebhyo Mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. And give up. I don't have that one. I don't have my profession, this one. Take shelter in me alone. I will liberate you, not to grieve. ಇದಂ ತೇ ನಾತಪಸ್ಕಾಯ ಅಭಕ್ತಾಯ ಕದಾಚನ ನ ಚ ಶುಶ್ರೂಷವೇ ವಾಚ್ಯಂ ನ ಚ ಮಾಂ ಯೋऽಭ್ಯಸೂಯತಿ ಯ ಇದಂ ಪರಮಂ ಗುಹ್ಯಂ ಮದ್ವಕ್ತೇಷ್ವಭಿದಾಸ್ಯತಿ ಭಕ್ತಿಂ ಮಯಿ ಪರಾಂ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಮಾಮೇ ವೈಶ್ಯಸ್ಯ ಅಸಂಶಯಃ ನ ಚ ತಸ್ಮಾ ಮನುಷ್ಯೇಷು ಕಶ್ಚಿನ್ಮೇ ಪ್ರಿಯಕೃತ್ತಮಃ ಭವಿತಾ ನ ಚ ಮೇ ತಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅನ್ಯಪ್ರಿಯತರೋ ಭುವಿ ಅದ್ಯೇಷ್ಯತೆ ಚ ಯ ಇಮಂ ಧರ್ಮಂ ಸಂವಾದಮಾವಯೋಃ ಜ್ಞಾನಯಜ್ಞೇನ ತೇನಾಹ ಇಷ್ಟಾಸ್ಯಾಮಿತಿ ಮೇ ಮತಿಃ ಶ್ರದ್ಧವಾನ್ ಅನಸೂಯಶ್ಚ ಶೃಣುಯಾದಪಿ ಯೋ ನರಃ ಸೋಪಿ ಮುಕ್ತಾ ಶುಭಾನ್ ಲೋಕಾನ್ ನಾಪ್ನುಯಾತ್ ಪುಣ್ಯಕರ್ಮಣಾಂ ಕಚ್ಚಿದೇತತ್ ಶ್ರುತಂ ಪಾರ್ಥ ತ್ವಯೇಕಾಗ್ರೇಣ ಚೇತಸಾ ಕಶ್ಚಿನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾನಸನ್ಮೋಹ ನಷ್ಟಸ್ತೆ ಧನಂಜಯ. Shri Krishna glorifies all those who have keen interest in learning. He regards them as punyajivis and asks the question, did you hear this one with single pointed attention or you lost interest? And just checking on the student, Arjuna says, Nashto moha smritir labdva tat prasadatmaya chuta Sthitosmi gata sandeha karishye vachanam tava. Arjuna says, I regained my composure. It's tadadrashtu sarupe avasthanam. In the Bhagavad Gita, Patanjali says, you become yourself. I have become myself. Now I know what is my quality, what is my strength. I realized my potential. I realized where I belong. All my confusions have gone. I will do as you advised. It agrees with me. It is not, Krishna is not imposing on him. I agree and I will do act accordingly. Sanjay Uvacha Ityaham Vasudevasya Parthasya cha Mahatmanaha Samvadamima Ashrausha Adbhutam Roma Harshanam Vyasaprasada Shrutavan Guhyatamam Param Vyasaprasada Shrutavan Etad Guhyatamam Param Yogam Yogeshwara Krishnat Saksha Katayata Swayam Rajan Sansritya Samvadamima Adbhutam Keshavarjunayo Punyam Krishyami cha Muhurmuhum Tatcha Samsritya Rupam Atyadbhutam Hare Vismayo me Mahan Rajan Krishyami cha Punah Punaha Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno Yatra Partho Dhanurdaraha Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhuti ध्रुवा नीतिमतिर्मम इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम अष्टादशोऽध्यायः. From 75 that we had done up to shloka 75, Sanjaya with a rapt, he is saying that I am thrilled to see Hari's Vishwarupa. The Samvada advice was given by Bhagavan Sri Krishna himself. I am so fortunate to hear that one. I am regurgitating that one again and again. My hair is standing horripilation on the edge. I am so thrilled to hear that one. And he concludes where Sri Krishna's message, where Sri Krishna is there, and where a person is willing to act accordingly, there is a sure success, sure victory, sure progress. There is a sure good name and prosperity and good policy around that one. And who is this Sanjaya? This chapter will lead to the first chapter we are starting. Sanjaya, childhood friend of Sanjaya's father, belonging to the charioteer family. He was a childhood friend of Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was also Gandharva. Sanjaya was also Gandharva Avatara. They came down, and he was a warrior also. He was a warrior. Before the war, Vedavyasa approached and told Dhritarashtra, I had told you many times to check your son, you did not. Now, look at the calamity by your first hand. I will bless you, O blind king. I will bless you. Dhritarashtra was so faint-hearted, he was not willing to see his own mistakes, and he said, please, I have no strength. I am a weak-hearted person. Please give this blessing to my close confided friend Sanjaya. And so Bhagavan Vedavyasa, this Upanishad Brahma Purana, it talks about Vedavyasa is none other than Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. He gave the vision to Sanjaya, Brahma Vaivarta Upanishad, Purana. And Sanjaya could able to see that one live, and while reporting, like a cricket match, in the break they walk around the stadium, and Vedavyasa blessed him you can go midst of the war field, still no weapon will affect you. You get immunity. You can go around and you will remember everything. And he was a neutral person. Even Pandavas had great respect for Sanjaya. And Sanjaya was a devotee of Sri Krishna and Vedavyasa. He got that opportunity. Arvind asked the question, why did he get that one? He had all the qualities, and so he first, though he had that boon, he was part of the war for 10 days. He was in the battlefield. He was fighting, he was a warrior, and he was fighting for Kauravas, Duryodhana for 10 days. When Bhishmacharya fell down, he rushed back to report to Dhritarashtra. What happened? Our the trump card has fallen. He has come back and he reported in the first chapter, Dhritarashtra asked a question, what happened? Tell me. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samabhetayi yutsavaha mamaka pandavaschaiva Kurvata Sanjaya. What they did? For 10 days, report to me. What happened? What happened? What they did? My children and Pandavas, what they did. So he came back after when the Bhishmacharya fell. He reported that what happened, narrated the story, and Sanjaya, he was not emotional. He was telling as it is what happened, and when though he was fighting for Kauravas, he says this message. I'm so thrilled. Bhagavan himself. That reminder, he was indirectly telling Dhritarashtra, at least now you stop the war. At least now you stop the war and let your children survive. And though it is what Sri Krishna says, whatever you say, our destiny will pull us along. Though Sanjaya, he narrated the story and he told Dhritarashtra did not, out of moha, attachment for the children, he did not stop. And he narrated the story. On the 18th day, Satyaki, he captured Sanjaya and wanted to kill him. Then Vedavyasa appeared there, asked Satyaki to release him. And when Duryodhana was about to die and Bhima broke his thigh bones, and in the evening when no one was there, Sanjaya went to Duryodhana. I'm feeling very angry. Pandavas have brought ruin to you. I am very angry, and tell me what message I have to carry. Though he heard Bhagavad Gita, with the grace of Bhagavan Vedavyasa, he heard. In the last minute, he told Duryodhana, tell me, I am so angry. They did so much of this one to you, what I should do. And Duryodhana said, go and tell my friend Kaninka. Kaninka is a negative to the core. Kaninka was a guru of Shakuni. He was even gave advice to Duryodhana how to bring out the negativity. Go and report to him. And Sanjaya went and reported to Kaninka, and the great Pandavas broke Duryodhana's thigh bones, and he is dying, and he died. I am so angry. So Sanjaya, though at times he was good, but not to the pure to the core. We appear to be good. At times we get swayed by, when the company of negative people, their energy overpowers our sattvic guna. Our guna is not strong enough. Others influence us to take the wrong path. So Sanjaya, though heard that one, so still he did that way. Arvind asked that question, and anyway, for Bhagavad Gita, this is the 18th chapter, last shloka, it says, those who revere Bhagavad Gita and keeping the Sri Krishna in their heart and follow his advice and act like Arjuna, like Karishye Vachanam Tava. We do our best, and however best we are, we should be mindful. Time to time our samskara may drag us to the wrong path. We have to come back, and there is a sure prosperity, victory and glory. This is the 18th chapter, and with this we have completed second chapter to 18th chapter. Next week we will go back to the first chapter. We have not started on the first chapter. First chapter, when we go to the first chapter, now the loop is closed. Loop is closed. What Arjuna's condition where he was and where he went. After hearing, and it is a thriller, and personally it has enriched my own learning and my own sadhana. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.